Okay, pag kinakabit ni brother to, sumasabog daw yung fuse. So, tingnan natin yung regulator nito. Okay, dasirin natin doon. Mismo tiko ah. Yan, 2.3. DJ ko ah, DJ yellow. JNT yellow to ground. Yellow to ground. Yun. Yun o, 0.1. O DJ bangir. Yellow to ground. Oh. What do you think?
Sila na to.
What do you think, brother?
Wala na to.
Oh, you see? It's regulator. Yun lang.
Sira na, brother.
Oh, sige, ipalitan mo na. Pwede naman na yan. The diode is already open. So, ayan oh, lahat. Because of the corrosion. Okay? So, we need to replace a new one. Then, we repair this one. It's expensive. So, it's better to buy a new one. Okay, ma. So, papalitan natin to. Ayan, pinalitan na to. Dahil kinalawangis na. Masyadong magastos na sa tape. Ayan. Okay na yan. O, magandang tignan. Hindi masakit sa mata. Ayos? Ayos. Made in the Philippines. Finished product. So, hindi basta-basta na mabasa. Hindi naman masyadong... Ang kalaban lang kasi niyan yung ulan eh. Dahil may butas. Sige, sarado mo. Yan ah. Sige, yan. Yan ah. Pag sarado. Butas kasi dito. Ayan, ganun. Okay. Bigay na talaga.